looking to adjust the range on your Rocksensor RF3700 thermal mass flowmeter? Don't worry, in today's video, we'll guide you through the process step by step. Whether you're monitoring gas flow in HVAC systems, chemical plants, or biogas production, etc., setting the correct range is essential for accurate measurements. The Rocksensor RF3700 thermal mass flowmeter is an ideal choice for measuring the mass flow of gases, except for acetylene and steam, using the thermal dispersion effect. It's perfect for low or steady flow rates, making it a great fit in industries like chemical manufacturing, biogas production, and HVAC systems, etc. But what happens if you need to adjust the flow range? Let's dive into how you can do this in just a few easy steps. It requires a 24V DC power supply for operation, making it compatible with most industrial systems. First, press the F2 button to enter the menu options. This gives you access to all of the settings for your flowmeter. Now, use the F1 button to scroll down and find the Setup option. Once you've found it, press F2 to enter the Setup menu. In the Setup menu, look for the Output Sel Flow option. Press F2 to select it. On the screen, it will show Next as the next step. Next, press F1 to enter the Value Adjustment mode. This is where you can change the flowmeter's range. Use the F1 and F3 buttons to increase or decrease the value to your desired setting. Once you've selected your desired range, press F2 to confirm the change. And just like that, you're done. That's it, you've successfully set the range on your Rocksensor RF3700 thermal mass flowmeter. Your flowmeter is now ready to measure with the new range setting, ensuring your system operates smoothly.
Did you find this video helpful? Hit the like button and subscribe for more easy-to-follow guides on industrial tools. Have any questions or need help with another feature? Drop them in the comments and we'll be happy to assist. Thanks for watching. Until next time, stay efficient and keep your systems running smoothly.